The next theorem is Thevenin theorem. So what is the statement of Thevenin theorem? In the linear bilateral network, there is a number of voltage and current sources with the resistances can be replaced by a single equivalent Thevenin voltage with the single equivalent resistance. Okay, where VTH is the Thevenin equivalent voltage and RTH is the Thevenin equivalent resistance. Okay, next slide is circuit schematic. In the circuit, first circuit is a linear bilateral network where number of voltage sources and current sources are connected in parallel with the load. Okay, the next circuit is a Thevenin equivalent circuit where VTH and RTH are connected in series with each other with the load. VTH and RTH are unknown for the network when we finding out the problem related to the Thevenin theorem. Okay, VTH and RTH is the open circuit parameter for the network. Okay, this network is useful for finding out the problem related to the Thevenin theorem. The next is the definition of Thevenin theorem. In this definition, we know that the Thevenin equivalent circuit, which is a series circuit where the voltage is proportional to the current quantity, because this is the series circuit. Both the parameters are in the series, so they are also proportional in its quantity. So we can easily apply the Ohm's law and easily follow the Ohm's law. Okay, the next definition of Thevenin theorem is when the circuit is open circuited, at that time the open circuit voltage can be calculated. That's why the open circuit voltage is also called as Thevenin voltage. The open circuit voltage is also called as Thevenin voltage. This voltage zero when the load is connected. I repeat it, when the network is open circuited, at that time there is a VTH is present. Okay, but the load is connected. At that time the voltage is at the receiving end is zero. Okay, the next definition indicates when the load is connected, the receiving end voltage means VTH is zero. Okay, next step to determine VTH and RTH. Replace the load with open circuit, so we can calculate the VTH means open circuit voltage. Okay, when load is connected, its value is zero. That's why before calculating VTH, we remove or we de-engage the load connected to the network. After that, we can calculate the open circuit parameter or open circuit quantity of Thevenin equivalent resistance. Okay, this is the short video regarding the Thevenin theorem.